Welcome to week 8 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis worth of Bitcoin using the Ember app on 3 NFL picks and then use those 3 picks to make a parlay as well. I'm picking the teams that I think are most likely to win regardless of odds. I'll show my stats from week to week. And the best thing about this is that there's zero investment. So if you're interested in free sports predictions, please use the Ember app that I've linked in the description. And for legal purposes, I do have to say that these videos are for entertainment purposes only. And while Ember does allow you to make free sports predictions without putting in any of your real money, I do have to point this out. And so far, I'm 19-9. I've won $158.63, and I've lost $49.05. My first pick is the Kansas City Chiefs over the Washington Commanders. The Kansas City Chiefs are really good at home. This is a primetime game. And the Commanders are most likely going to be with their backup, Marcus Mariota, who isn't really all that good. I just picked the Chiefs last week and they won 31-0, so I'm going to keep this rolling. Next is the Indianapolis Colts over the Tennessee Titans. I picked the Colts over the Titans earlier in this year and it worked out, and this is a home game. The Titans are arguably the worst team in the league, maybe besides the Dolphins, and I don't see this game being close at all. And with that said, my last pick is the Atlanta Falcons over the Miami Dolphins. The Miami Dolphins have a really bad offensive line, they have an inconsistent running game, and they have a really bad defense. While the Falcons haven't been great this year, Bijan Robinson has been a monster, and with the Dolphins' bad run defense, I don't see this being close. It's also a home game for Atlanta, and the Dolphins, they've been bad all year, but they're especially bad on the road. And that means my parlay is the Colts, Chiefs, and Falcons, betting 5,000 sats to win 8,236. So let's hope we get 2 parlays in a row, just like we did weeks 1 and 2. I'll be back with my stats next week, guys.